All right, so this game here is going to be vampires, Lycans, and ninjas.
Sweet.
All right, so the ninjas are the glowing ones here. The
very Naruto-esque.
Naruto style. Okay. You guys are the vampires. Okay. And I am will be the lone Lycan. The objective for the humans, for the ninjas, my bad, for the glowing ninjas, for the radiating ninjas, they have to find this.
They call it silver light.
Yeah, silver light.
There you go.
Silver light bomb. Okay. Silver light bomb. Okay. So the objective is to find that bomb, set it, clear the city, and then they can kill off. So they can kill off the vampires and the Lycans. On the vampires, okay, if you guys are shot or you got the light shine on you. Okay, you have to reset back to your position. Okay, so if you're approaching someone and they shine the light on you, you have to reset, go back to kind of like where you kind of started. Okay, you cannot stay there and continue to progress slowly or anything like that. Your objective is to turn all the humans, ninjas, into vampires, of course. And then, of course, I'm kind of like, the monkey wrench in the business. I get to mess you guys up just for the hell of it. This is what I do.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna try to turn as many vampires into Lycans as possible, and ninjas into Lycans as much as possible.
What do you do if you're a Lycan?
If you're Lycan, you can run around. If you cannot shoot, you have no weapons. Okay. But you can bite people and turn them into Lycans also. If you are shot, you'll be just like a zombie. You either freeze or walk away from your target. Okay. We cleared all the objectives.
Yes.
Rules.
Did you go over the fact that if the humans or the ninjas get shot, they have to get a medic?
Thank you. Ninjas, if you guys get shot, you stay where you are. However, any one of your team members can heal you. Yeah, you guys can still shoot while you're down.
Pistol last stand?
Yeah, pistol last stand only, okay? You cannot, obviously you have to be in kind of a down, injured position. All right?
All right.
Cool. All right, lights out.
FPSJUNKIEZ.com, baby.
One.
Let's go, come on.
I can't do nothing about it. What are you using, 2.5 there? Yeah.
They were going like 12 feet.
Because I want you.
Wolfgang, hang back a little bit, bro.
Okay.
You got me all scared.
Ninja, don't be scared.
Hey, why is the Cambodian guy nothing cool?
I like how we can hear the crickets.
Sounds like.
I'm thinking it might be bust.
Go. I just farted.
Nice. Clear up here.
Yeah, we're looking mainly for the bomb first. That's one objective. We're going back this way. Let's go. Look at Vince. Dual wield Glocks. Where you guys going?
Why did you guys back off?
No. That's concerning me right now.
Hold it.
Yeah, stay over there.
There's no threat to stay there. Who the hell's over there?
I don't know. It's Lycans and...
The vamps are fighting.
Yeah. Meh.
Fan out.
No, I don't know what they're doing. They're just kind of camping up. Oh crap.
Movement, right side, movement. Movement, southwest corner.
They're in the tower giving us...
Movement!
What side? Right side. Favela. I got your 6, all right? Wolfgang.
Hey, switch up. here? Why are we standing here?
I do not know.
Yeah, let's move. Yeah.
Pistol, kill house.
Over here, over here.
Inside, inside, right there. Favela. Come on.
Hey, bro, there's one over there.
Roger, Roger. Inside. All right, looks like we're gonna cut. Right there, Favela, he's moving up. Favela. Ah, crap, let's back off a little. Let's back off a little, come on, Wolfgang.
That way, that way.
Lights.
Northeast end, northeast end.
Lights off.
Let's go. Let's keep moving. Yeah.
Let's go.
Right here, right here. Favela.
Inside the favela.
What's the window? What's the window?
You gotta move.
He's down. He's down.
Move, he's down.
You stay there. Stay put there.
Hey, go.
Monith! Monith, Monith is down. Monith's down. Go, go, go.
1, 2,
Hold on, we got something here.
You gotta chop him. Get on me, get on me. He's like,
Wolfgang, come on, come on, come on. Wolfgang. Hey, watch the guy next to you, Steve. Yes.
he's making love. Anyone got a bone? Who wants a bone? Well, what are we punching out or not?
punch the
Mount it out.
Yes.
Lobo.
Moving. Monitz is gone. Monitz is gone.
Wow, man.
Monitz gone.
Strong ass Lycan.
Monitz gone.
That's gone.
What? Am I 6 or am I 12?
Anybody can see over there? We're in a bad area, guys. If we need to punch out, we need to punch out.
Front, 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 front.
Watch to your right. Watch to your right, right there.
We got him.
You watch right here. I watch right here. Oh, damn, Lycan.
We got a vamp in front of us.
Damn it.
We got a vamp on our 12 o'clock.
Here's something, guys.
We need to punch out that way.
Yep. Right behind this pallet right here. Pallet right here. Pallet right here.
Watch your left.
Left!
I knew it. I knew it.
We need to go. We're gonna go.
You go right there. There's a guy right there, bro. Here, right here. Right here, guaranteed. No, behind that.
I see him. What?
Fuck, down. Down, hit.
1, 2,
Guns up.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're good.
Come on. All right, here. I'm on you.
I got you. Come on, okay. Save your ribbon.
Watch the 6.
Where's Lewis? Is Lewis down?
No, Lewis is dipped. He dipped. You good, Vince?
Yeah, I'm good.
12. Watch our 6. He's behind the pallets, bro. Behind the pallets, moving. He's down there. There he is.
All right, guys, let's go.
Watch behind down.
Hey, point. Someone's got to give me a light.
Come on, Wolfgang. Wolfgang, come on.
I will shoot you in the top.
Go behind you.
Damn it.
Stay with your chest.
Keep moving.
There's two.
Guys, watch this door while I search this. Okay.
CJ, you up?
Left side,
I was trying not to mark, so.
watch your left, Grant. Watch your left.
Watch out! Grant, watch out!
There's a vamp in here. Someone keep the light on the vamp. Someone search.
Keep it going. Let's go. They're coming behind us already. Go.
Vamps and 2 vamps in the castle, guys.
Come on, let's go. Go, go, go.
Right there! Fuck. Got him. Steve's down. Watch out. Pistol Palace. Brent is in the bus. Pistol Palace. Pistol Palace, guys. Pistol Palace.
Where?
Right there, he was engaging. That was it's a vampire. Shit.
Come behind you. Give me a light in there.
Right there. Moved. He moved. By myself. Vincent. We gotta move. Come on. Friendly. Right there. Behind the bus. Yeah. Right there, right side. Wolfgang's gone. I gotta change back. Change it. Keep that light up. CJ, you got a light? Right there, to the right. Left.
Keep that light up, Arwen, right there on that pallet. You got it?
Yeah.
We got one right here, pallet. One right here, one right here.
I got your back, Vincent. There's only 4 of us left. You good? Go. Chop, move. Oh shit.
Keep that light up, guys. CJ, keep an eye on him.
We gotta stop punching out now. We gotta start punching out now.
Right
Stop punching out. Alright. Gotta move. Ah, damn it! Fuck you! So I am a Lycan. Wait, there's.
Oh, how many Lycans do we have?
Who's not a Lycan?
Oh, on the bus. No, it's so bad. Go get him! Get him! That was fun.
Call it again. Call it.
There's a kid in the bus, he's like me, and I go, wow. There's like, oh,
Ah. What'd you think of that one?
That was awesome.
I liked it. It's quickly intense.
How many Lycans did we end up with?
A lot, all of them.
Yeah, it was almost all of it.
Did we just started with one?
Yeah. Nice job. Nice job, man. tell the camera what you did.
One single Lycan just destroyed the whole vampire civilization and ninja civilization. Whoa! I give you the cat daddy though.
Oh, let me see this cat daddy. Let me see the cat daddy. Oh, no. Is your son T? Oh, no. Is your son teaching you that? Yeah. Props. So, check out this Camelback water bottle. Revision. Thank you, Revision. I guess that Revision. As you know, I wear quite a bit of Revision gear. Sawflies, Asian locusts.
I need to get a Revision sponsorship. They're like, I have eyes, Revision. Sponsor me.
Show them what I gave you the product test right now. Revision sent me their new Exoshields. My nose is not the proper nose for that because the bridge is flat. However, it fits Steven. Check this out. These are called the Revision Exoshields, ultra low profile. Check the.
Very low profile.
Now, do you have a wide field of view?
My nose, very high profile.
So, Steve, explain what your YouTube channel is.
I have a joint venture with some friends of mine. It's called FPSJUNKIEZ. It's currently in the works right now. We're filming for it, and we want to get a couple, a good couple of weeks of videos up before we even upload anything. But
explain what it is. What are you guys gonna do?
Well, what we do is we hang out as a group of people. We're trying to bring back old school LAN party gaming because it seems to have died with all this massively multiplayer online games. You know, Battlefield 3 got 64 players online, and it's kind of taken the personal, the trash talking.
Yeah,
out of it.
yeah, absolutely.
So we get a bunch of friends. We come over. Some person's house, either mine or another friend's, and we just sit and we game. We mainly play first-person shooters because, we love them. We play anything from GoldenEye to COD.
Battlefield when it comes out.
We're excited for Battlefield 3 to come out. And we just sit and we talk trash on other people. And
so, what are you using? Are we doing in-game footage? What are you using? Like, well, it's PVR, right?
It's gonna be both. I have a personal video recorder, so that's gonna capture the in-game footage, and then we'll have another camera set up to capture our antics and our reactions to what we see on screen, and we'll put those together so that way you guys can see.
Will you be playing on PC, Xbox 360, PS3? What are you playing?
It's gonna be it's gonna be a little bit of PS3, mostly Xbox 360.
Correct.
My partner in crime doesn't have an Xbox 360, but he will soon. So we'll get him on that game. So, yeah.
Donate. Well, you guys have been wondering, and that's what it is. So, yeah, that guy Steve right there has his own YouTube channel. Definitely check it out. Like he said, it's not up yet, but I'm guessing it's gonna be up pretty soon. What are you guys trying to do? BF3 launch, right?
Oh yeah, we're gonna bring it out pretty big for the BF3 launch. We've been playing the beta. I was tempted to record the beta, but again, it's not a final product, so we don't want to have a lot of videos on an unfinished product. We want to give respect to EA and the people that are making that game and show what their finished product looks like.
Awesome. Well, cool. Thank you, Steve, and look out for it in the future.